What's up? You switched the wrong way, you've probably blown the pump.
Alright mate, and you.
What car is it?
A black one.
Okay, what kind of black one? Oh. Good morning.
I've just had my first shower on board since Alf's fixed the toilet and painted the floor. But now the water's not draining and the pump doesn't seem to be working anymore. He's going to be really upset if the pump's broken. Hi Alf.
What's up?
I think the pump stopped working.
Why?
Nothing's happening.
Because it's pumped out. You switched the wrong way, you've probably blown the pump. It's on the hand basin. You've probably popped the pump. Change that floor. Get that floor bit up. Change that. Change the plug. All of that pump and that valve all plumbing up. Okay, dripping. You like adding stuff to our list, don't you? Fuses one as well. I don't think I've got spares. No rupturing really. Oh, yeah, it's popped.
Is it because it's the wrong fuse? But we found the solution.
Well, the solution is you've got to put the switch to the right hand.
I
side.
didn't know that.
How many times have I told you?
I did not know that.
When you're pointing left, it's for the hand basin. It will drain out the hand basin. When you want to shower, this is what you do. Shower. But I need to get new fuses. The 3 amp ones to replace my 3 amp blowns that have been blown.
Yeah, okay, that's fine.
And some 10 amps.
Yeah.
I'll get some different ones while we're at it.
Yeah. Maybe I just helped you resolve a problem that was going to happen in the future.
What?
Because now you're going to have loads of fuses spare.
No, so many times I've said to you,
no.
Make sure it's that way, pointing that way. I've been lying here being like, make sure it's pointed that way. Do you want to have another shower?
No. Never having a shower again.
You might not have taken it in, but you definitely have heard about that before. You obviously didn't take it in.
Yeah, maybe you told me a few years ago when we got the boat.
No, because I put that in like 3 or 4 months
you
ago. You
put that in? I thought it was always there.
Right. I took that panel off, right? I took it to my granddad's house.
I didn't know you did that.
You was watching us fit it in the kitchen.
No, I wasn't.
You are unbelievable.
No, I was not.
Unbelievable.
Was I with your nan in the living room?
No, because we quickly swung past, quick.
I'm gonna go to my room and think about what I've done.
You think about what you've done there, young lady. My granddad lands in less than an hour. Off to the airport.
Yes.
Pick up my granddad. It says arrived at 12:30.
It's now 1.
Oh, he is there?
Oh, bless him.
How you doing, mate?
Alright mate, and you.
How you been?
Hello, how are you?
Good, thanks. How are you?
Not bad.
I'll grab your bag, mate.
It's heavy.
That's alright. What a nightmare being delayed, eh?
God damn it, I couldn't believe it. We left home about 10 to 5 this morning.
Wow.
What car is it?
A black one.
Okay, what kind of black one?
The reg is EE and it ends in MB.
Make or model?
I don't know.
Sounds
Is it a black one? It's got that thing there, is it?
No.
We're in the wrong place.
And
We're in the wrong place.
Oh. Oh, sugar balls.
we were upstairs.
Yeah, well, let's see if I can cancel it and do another one.
We are going to Cassis, then to Ceylan maybe.
Actually, I've only got one ear in it. The thing was hurting in the ear, so
I couldn't hear what you were saying.
Oh, can I drop this? Or do you want it clipped?
Yeah, I'll clip it. Ready?
Your mooring line is
Yeah,
close to the prop.
I'm gonna undo the front, then drop it.
Ready for what?
Up there?
No, I think
Oh, it's stuck round the prop.
I'm not sure, but
Oh, it's
Yeah. So if you can tie us off there, I'll jump in.
I'll go in. It was my fault.
It's always a problem with these meetings.
Yeah. I've
Do
never.
you have them in England?
No, this is our first time we've ever done it.
oh really?
Yeah,
Okay.
So,
Oh yeah, always had finger tops.
yeah, always.
Always have what?
The finger pontoons.
Yeah.
Yes.
Good morning.
You have a good knife, no?
Yes, exactly.
I'm sorry, Al.
Yeah, I'll go for
We will be on YouTube.
Yeah.
But I'm not.
Woo!
16.
Pretty cold.
It's
So
16.
if you, I would offer, but I ain't got it.
Okay.
You alright, mate?
That's cold. Wow. There's a lot of rope round there.
I can do it.
That's alright. Just getting used to the
I could
temperature.
pour in some hot water.
That might help.
That's a good idea.
You feeling alright?
Well, a bit better.
Yeah, I mean,
Right.
Sorry.
That's half of it off. That's it.
is it it?
Yeah. I'm gonna have to just check it once more.
Yeah.
That's it.
Well done. Careful.
Thank you, guys.
You're welcome.
That's how another is. Wait, hold on. That's fine.
Thank you.
When I tell you, cut it, yeah? Cut it now. Good. Thanks, guys. Take care.
Bye.
Yeah, I'll get him.
Well, I've got a spare one if you need it.
Thank you.
I'll put it down there for a minute.
Thanks. What a nice place to have a spot of lunch.
Yeah. Thank you for cooking us lunch.
You're welcome.
You've just been staying down there for an hour or two. How do you feel about sending me in the sea this morning?
I feel bad, but I just can't stop laughing. I knew that I shouldn't turn the engine on because of the line, but when you were saying, "Are you ready, Jay? Are you ready? Are you ready?" and I was like, "Ready for what?" And then he said, "Are you ready?" and I was like, "Okay." So I put it forward just because I was panicking.
I said, "Are we ready?" And then you put it in
Ready,
gear.
ready, Jay, ready. So I put it in gear.
Yeah. And also, I want to say thank you to, I don't know your names, so you're going to have to reach out and tell us your names. I'm sorry
Yeah,
that I don't know your name. But you were on the boat next to us and you helped us when we snagged the prop. So please let us know your names and send us your email address. Because we want to say thank you. So thank you. You alright, Grandad?
Hello, mate. Yes.
Good, good.
Oh, yes.
Tell us something interesting. Talk to the camera.
Okay, I can tell you something interesting. If someone says, "Are you ready?" that means don't go.
No, right, let's clear this up. We have time to clear this up, right? So I said, "Are you ready?" as in, like, are you ready for me to do it? Can you get on the helm? Because once I've undone this, I'm going to run to the back, undo the stern line, second stern line, and go. Bearing in mind, before I said that, I explained everything what I was going to do.
I was confused. I was asking your granddad what I needed to be ready for. I wasn't nattering. Maybe I was half asleep. I just got out of bed. I don't know. Maybe your instructions need to be a bit more calmer.
Yeah, I was calm. I was calm the whole time. I was calm on the outside.
Yeah,
pissed at the
I
inside.
know.
I wasn't that. I wasn't that. I was pissed the fact that I had to jump in
Yeah.
cold.
Yeah. But I said I would have done it because it was my fault.
No, you silly. I know you would have done it, but good job we brought the snorkel yesterday.
I'll never forget that vision. Wearing the flamingo swim trunks I got as a joke. And then snorkel.
Snorkel's pretty good though.
Coming up the steps so angry.
Knife in hand. Oh, I was pissed. I cut my finger.
I got that band-aid on really quickly.
It was good. That's a good band-aid.
I know.
Band-aid? It's just plaster. You made me say it. Ceylan is confessing to a cover-up. What did you cover up?
We were in the middle of the sea and something mysterious happened that you needed to fix yesterday.
What? What did you do? What did you do? Did you reset it? You reset it. How the hell did you reset it?
That went a lot better. I'm going to start covering them up, giving it a week, and then confessing, yeah. If I didn't tell you about the bathroom, you wouldn't have known.
Well, the fact that it wasn't pumping out, I mean...
Because you don't go in there. You won't notice that until another couple of weeks.
Well, I have been here. Grandad stepped in there today. I think you'd have noticed if there was a puddle of water in there.